Assalamualaikum my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at your home. My name is Amna Naz and I'm the teacher of pre-prep and today I'm here to teach you maths. As you know, in our previous lectures we have learned the number 1 to 6. How many numbers we have learned? We have learned the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have learned 6 numbers. How many numbers? We have learned the 6 numbers. Open the fingers. We will open the 1 finger. 1. And when we will say 2, we will open the 2 fingers. 2. And when we will say 3, we will open the 3 fingers. 3. And when we will say 4, we will open the 4 fingers. 4 fingers. And when we will say the 5, we will open the 5 fingers. 5. And when we will say the 6, we will open the 6 fingers. 6 fingers. Read it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, how many numbers we have? We have 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, today we are going to do the reinforcement and activity of these numbers. We will do the reinforcement and activity of these 6 numbers. Let's move towards our books and we will do the reinforcement and activity. Okay students, now we are going to do the reinforcement of the numbers we have learned. What we have to do? Count and circle the correct numbers. As you can see, there are some pictures and some numbers. What we have to do? We have to count the picture and then we have circle the correct number according to the picture. As you can see, we have 1 ice cream. How many ice creams we have? We have 1 ice cream. And here we have 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. अभी क्योंकि हमारे पास 1 आइस क्रीम है, सो हम क्या सर्कल करेंगे? क्या हमें 2 को सर्कल करना चाहिए? नो. 3 को? नो. हमारे पास 1 आइस क्रीम है, सो वी विल सर्कल द नंबर 1. Okay? Circle the number 1 only. Okay? Now count the next picture. 1, 2, 3. How many balls we have? We have 3 balls. And numbers 4, 3 and 2. We have 3 numbers. कौन कौन से नंबर है वो? 4 है, 3 है and 2 है. अभी हम किसको सर्कल करेंगे? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 balls. So, we will circle the number 3. Number 3. Now, come to the next picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 leaves. How many leaves we have? We have 5 leaves. So, we have 3 number over there. So, आपने number 5 को find out करके उसको circle करना है. So, here is number 5. We will circle it. Number 5. Number 5. How many ducks we have? We have 2 ducks. 1, 2. 1, 2. You will find out the number 2 among these 3 numbers and you will circle the number 2. Is this number 2? No, this is number 5. Is this number 2? Yes, this is number 2. We will circle this number. We will circle number 2. We will circle number 2. Now, at the last, how many pencils we have? We have 4 pencils. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here you will find out the number 4 and you will circle the number 4. Here is number 4. So, you will circle it like this. And this is how you will complete your reinforcement. Okay, my dear students. Now, we will do the activity. First, we have done with the reinforcement and now we will do the activity. What we have to do? We have to write the missing numbers. As you can see, there are some numbers but there are some numbers are missing. So, we have to write the missing numbers. What we have to do? We have to write the missing numbers. Which number is this? Now, this is number 1. 1. And what comes after 1? After 1, here is number 2. And number 2 is missing. So, we will write here number 2. 2. 1, 2, 3. And what comes after 3? number 4. 4 is missing, so we will write here number 4. Number 4. Now come to the next picture. Which number is this? We have number 3. Number 3. And what comes after number 3? 3, 4. So 4 and 5 is missing. So we will write here number 4. Standing line, sleeping line and a standing line. This is how you will write number 4, and 5 number is also missing, 3, 4, and after 4 here we have number 5. We will write here number 5. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now come to the next picture. We have number 2, 3, but other numbers are missing. So we have to write their missing number. What comes after 3? 4. Standing line, sleeping line and one more standing line. 3, 2, 3, 4 and after 4 we will write here 5. 5. Sleeping line, standing line and semicircle. And this is how you will complete your activity. I hope you enjoyed this activity and reinforcement, and you will do it at your home and enjoy your holidays. Allah Hafiz and take care.